Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's solve this maths puzzle together. Sophia ran 5 laps around the 400-meter track at her school. For each lap, she ran the first 100 meters at an average speed of 4 meters per second, and the remaining 300 meters at an average speed of 5 meters per second. The question is, how much time did Sophia take running the 5 laps? So let's draw out the track. Let's say it's simply a straight line, okay? And because she ran the first 100 meters with the speed of 4 meters per second, and then the remaining 300 meters with the speed of 5 meters per second. Okay, so let me write this as 3, like that. So we have 100 meters and 300 meters. Now, this is a question of understanding the relationship between speed, distance, and time. So we know that speed is equal to distance divided by time, okay? So now we want to find out how much time Sophia took to run all 5 laps. So we want the time. So we want to make time the subject. So we can multiply both sides by time and divide both sides by the speed. So time is actually equal to distance divided by the speed, okay? So the speed, we are given 4 meters per second and 5 meters per second. And that is the speed. And the distance, we have 100 meters and 300 meters. And that's the distance. So let's apply this formula to our question. Well, we have to first find this part where the time Sophia took to run the first 100 meters. So that would be time equals 100 divided by 4. That is 25 seconds. And then we do the same for the second part of the track. 300 meters divided by 5 meters per second. 300 divided by 5, that is 60. So here we have 2 times 25 and 60. And if we add them up, we get 25 plus 60 equals 85. Now, 85 seconds is the time it took Sophia to run just 1 lap. And because she ran 5 laps, we have to multiply 85 by 5, okay? And that gives us 425 seconds, which is also, I believe, 7 minutes and 5 seconds, because 7 minutes is 60 times 7, so 420 plus 5, so 425 seconds. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoyed this, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.